Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel and to a brand new video. So if you're new around here, my name is Zoe. I do types of content on this channel, to physical media content, vinyl content and everything in between. If that's something you are interested in, don't forget to hit that big red subscribe button down below so you don't miss any videos from me. I've been meaning to film this video. I've waited to be filming this video for about 3 months now. The day has finally come to, oh my god, I'm so excited, an unboxing, unwrapping of Olivia Rodrigo's brand new album. Really hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure to give it a huge thumbs up and let's get started. Let's go! So this album I pre-ordered back in April, so as you can imagine I've been waiting and waiting and waiting so long for this album to come out, and obviously the day has finally come. I'm honestly so excited. I can't wait to listen to this. And this is what the back looks like right there, and then you got the spine right there. So it's called You Seem Pretty, Sad for a Girl So in Love. I'm not gonna lie, that's a really long title for an album, but I love this girl. And yeah, I got this from her website, and yeah, let's unwrap this, shall we? I was gonna say unbox it, but I took it out of the box, so it's just gonna be an unwrapping for today. If I can open this, like honestly, I've been waiting for this to come in the post for so long. So as I said, I pre-ordered her album back in April, and yeah, I got it off her website, and obviously it's out now, so you can obviously go and buy this. So I can't remember what pressing I got. I think I got the pink one, if I remember correctly. It's been a while now, so trying to remember. There we go. I am now unwrapping it, and my camera is about to die on me. Why? Every time I film a video, I swear to God, my camera is just like, nope, I'm gonna flash at you and the battery's about to go. I literally charged this up the other day, so I've managed to unwrap half of it, as you can see. And yeah, oh, my camera is about to die on me. Like, of all times for my camera to die on me, thanks a lot. Okay, so let's finally unwrap this vinyl, shall we? So let's go. So I'm now back. So this is what the back of the vinyl looks like, and then there's the spine. You probably won't be able to see that very well, but it obviously has the name of the album on the side there. So let's take the plastic off. There we go, which I'm so excited. Like, I can't wait to listen to this. There we go, more rubbish now for the bin. Just plastic. Okay, that is now off the vinyl. So I'm very excited to see what the gatefold looks like. So there you go, there's the front, there's the spine, you probably can just about see that, and then there's the back there. Beautiful. Okay, oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh my god, I've been waiting for this for like months. Oh my god, it looks so cool. So it's like a tree, like in a meadow. How cool is that? I mean, I really like that gatefold. That is really, really pretty. It says, You Seem Pretty for a Girl So in Love. Has the name of the album there. I mean, really, really cool. And a little message there from Olivia. I mean, I love it. I love the gatefold. That is really, really cool. And now I can't close it, apparently. Okay. That's not, I can't close it. I've opened it and now I can't close it. Okay, that's not good. Okay, let's get this stuff out, shall we? So you get a poster right there, which is really, really cool. Love that. Okay, let's just put this back in. There you go. And then here is the sleeve. There you go, name of the album cover, and then there you go, another picture there. Okay, I think this is bright pink. It is bright pink. So I went for this pressing. Oh my god, it's beautiful. Oh my god, this is gorgeous. I believe this is an exclusive pink vinyl to her website, I believe. Oh my god, this is absolutely gorgeous. Let me just take this out of the thing. There we go. I'll just hold it from the top. So there you go, there's the vinyl itself. I mean, I love coloured vinyl, so oh my god, this is just so pretty. I'm obsessed. I can't wait to listen to the album fully. Obviously, I can't close this because it's quite a big gatefold. I can't close it. Oh, this ain't good. So because that's stuck in there. Oh my god, I've got it stuck in the thing. There we go. There, I might be able to close it. Just about. Okay, I can just about close that. So there you go. There is the unwrapping, unboxing of Olivia Rodrigo's brand new album, You Seem Pretty, for a Girl So In Love. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. I love the gatefold. I love the pressing. As I said, I can't wait to listen to this. You can go and buy this right now. I love this girl. I'm so excited. So that is Olivia Rodrigo's brand new album. It literally just came out today, and obviously I had to do a video on it. So I obviously only know the 2 singles, which is Drop Dead and The Cure. So as I said, can't wait to listen to the album fully. So excited. Awesome. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video and for clicking on it. I do really appreciate it. All my social medias will be linked down below in the description box of this video for you guys to go and check out. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. See you later.
Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me.